Bad at vlogging and I'm trying to get better. May I look at pepper sausage. May I look at pepper sausage and can't find none. I'm getting better. Mommy. I don't see no pepper sausage. Oh, come on. Alright. How's messy now? I'm trying to get better with this right now. This was so sudden, I not even know somebody come. I'm actually there, Kingston right now. I want to share this, come love this. I'm just gonna grab some stuff, okay? I'm looking for Oreo, but we can't find it. Yo, I don't know about this to me, so that's why I'm holding the phone. Because I don't know what's wrong with these people. I don't know what's wrong with these people. Man, I feel hold on my phone because you know when you're at work, you are speed and now you're banging them so. Alright, come this side. Bear with me. This is my. Come. So, Mommy, as usual. Mommy, you hold it.
Here we are, man up Plaza shopping right now. See Oreo biscuit down there. Huh? Yeah, 15. Yeah.
Mama, look here, put them. Look, you don't even know we said in phone for that. Mama, tell you put this up. I really that. Alright, guys. So, we're there on part of place and we're supposed to buy KFC, but the KFC line too full and knowing me, I ain't got no patience and I ain't got I'm not about to stand up in no KFC line just to get piece of
Tell them
chicken.
you're on a park.
Just to get piece of chicken. You want to say line long. So I'm like, no. When we reach back at Portland, probably me buy it if I still want it. But
Show them the phone.
what? Oh God. I'm not gonna do that. Alright guys, I'm just reach back, but guess what? We're going back again. So I'll be a road trip now because so this probably name is like a road trip, something like that. So be a road trip now because remember good. Don't come for me because I'm trying. I'm not doing well and I'm trying, okay? So don't come for me. I go up on the road right now. I'm literally just reaching. Not to forget for sure, no? One more by, but me do it now next clip because I probably not get this. Probably just do a weekly vlog because this is not enough clip. So next clip, I'm gonna see up on the road when we go somewhere else. Like it's a, I'm so yeah. I'm phone all like that. See, as talking, I have a charger plug in right now. So let's get going on the road. I finally stop and I can get for talk to you. Yo, when I see me look rough, though I'm a dip on the road up and down. Don't mind my hair will be fixed. I'll be doing my hair very, very soon. Actually, I got try one hairstyle what I never think more do back. I do it. Wow, it's that. But up on the road, as you can see. I do it one time. I'm going to say my name, I'm going to do it back. But I'm gonna do it, and I'm not gonna tell y'all the hairstyle until somebody. The reason why I come and tell you now, what am I gonna eat? The reason why I'm gonna do it because my forehead big already, and then I'm gonna do it. My forehead look bigger, but I got confident. I got a lot of confidence now. So oh my gosh, I'm trying to look dark, right? This evil dark. I got all confident now, so I'm gonna try it back. Oh my gosh, not me looking rough, and I gonna put this up. Oh, wait. Let me see if we can catch your phone right. That's it. Alright. Alright. As me I say, I'm gonna do it already. I'm gonna find it too big. I'm gonna not do what the hairstyle here. Never ever in my life. Come on, just tell me what I'm gonna do because this is not my main channel. This is my family channel. So, no, I'm not telling you. I'm not telling y'all. But, as me say, if I'm find look. If my forehead look big, my forehead big, it just make it look extra big. But I'm still gonna try back. I want to do it because I want to do something different. And probably I get my nails done. I'm not sure. Ask mommy, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. But yeah, today I'm not even done. Cause after this, I go up on the road. So today. up and down. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not complaining because this was well needed. I actually wanted to go on the road so bad. I'm there in my house from the lockdown start. Lie. But then I'm also right through. I'm a complete. I want to go up and drive out or something like that. Oh my. But finally gonna come on my drive out. Finally. Thank you so much, Auntie Grace. Oh my gosh. Life real. You know, let me the one come out of the house more boring, bad. And you say for the like public taxi may I take or public transportation, whatever you call it. But I never come out of my house. Never, ever. So good on the public. If the public mood come out of the house cause I can't tell when last me take a taxi. I can't tell when last me take a public taxi. Can't tell when last I go up on a public bus. I just straight, if you come pick me up at my yard and that's so. I don't take public taxi, I can't tell when last. I can't tell when last, to be honest. Because what going right now? So yeah. And I'm actually kinda hungry now. I be snacks me eat for morning. Man, I tell you, as I saw in the previous clip, I stop at KFC to get KFC. And I don't want to see the KFC line now. Like, oh, well, people do that. Me do it too, but not again. Me not stand up in a KFC line just to get pizza chicken or one thing or whatever me there get. The line long, more to get through for now. But so more do that. So probably reach up in a Portland. Probably reach up in a, not the nigga, sure, anyways. Probably reach up in a Portland. I'm there Portland right now. Because I come from Kingston, I'm there Portland right now. So probably reach up in a, Kingston, probably reach up Portland. I'll probably go up to it. Probably. Or if not, just get one food. Because I can't have a no line, no time, no soon. Again, I ain't joining no more line right now. If I drive through, I just eat that. I'm not going to eat KFC. They eat there, so. Mommy, come and say hi. Mommy said to my peoples, to my eaters, to my subscribers, to the people that love me. What? What is that?
Hi.
So we get the fire from there?
This is Samantha mom.
Mommy, everybody know that. Look at my thumb prank, yo. What? Anyways, I'm just going to show them his family.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
That's a customer. That's an accident happened here.
Alright, that's it. Hmm?